Hi guys, welcome to this week's meal prep video. If you haven't joined me before, my name is Molly and I do weekly meal prep, lunch and breakfast videos, so check the other ones out if you haven't already. So this week for our healthy lunch, we're going to have chicken teriyaki. So I have chicken thighs, I have brown rice. This rice is really great. It's called Planet Rice, and broccoli. So I'm going to marinate the chicken in this really delicious, very teriyaki sauce. It's so good. And I'm gonna marinate that chicken before I cook the broccoli and the rice. So for this week, we'll have this for our meal prep. It'll be ready to go each day this week so that we don't have to worry about what we're gonna make for lunch. All right, so I'm gonna use chicken thighs this week. You can use chicken breast if you'd like. So I'm just gonna put them in a bowl and I'm going to add in the teriyaki sauce and we'll let it sit with the chicken for a little bit while we cook our rice and broccoli. All right, for the rice, I have 1 cup of rice and 1.5 cups of chicken broth. You can use water if you would like. And so I have it on the stove. I'm going to bring it to a boil. It should take about 5 to 6 minutes for this to come to a boil. And once it does, we will reduce the heat to low and I will put the lid on and we will steam it. It'll take about 20 minutes to cook all the way through. Okay, so the rice is done. I'm going to stir it in the pan and fluff it a little bit. So I'm going to let this sit off to the side while we start the rest of our meal prepping. So I have some water on the bottom of a steamer basket in the pot. I'm going to put in the broccoli into the steamer basket. I have broccoli that's already chopped up. You can buy a head of broccoli if you'd like and cut it up yourself. So I'm going to steam this on the stove for about 6 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to cook the chicken. I have a grill pan on the stove. I love this pan for cooking chicken. So I'm going to place each chicken thigh on the pan. I'm going to cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes for each side, and then we'll flip them over halfway through, and these chicken thighs turn out delicious. All right, so our super healthy lunch is ready for this week. I'm going to portion it into my meal prep containers. So I have the rice, broccoli, and the teriyaki chicken. So I'm going to use a 1/2 cup, measuring cup, to scoop the rice so that we know how much we're having this week. I'm going to add the broccoli into the containers next. And I'm going to add the teriyaki chicken right on top. So this was a really easy lunch meal prep for this week. We had the teriyaki chicken thighs, brown rice, and a side of broccoli. So it's really healthy, really easy, and quick to make. And now our lunch is ready to go. So each day for lunch, we'll just take one of these out, put it in the microwave to heat it up, and it's delicious. Check the description box for the ingredients that I used, and also leave me a comment if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss all my other weekly lunch and breakfast meal prep videos. I hope that you have a great day and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.